Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about Runnable. Runnable, it is interface, same of Thread, but it is interface as I told you. You need to implement things. While Thread is a class you inherited. So, one difference between Runnable and a Thread. Runnable, it is interface, so you could implement it in any way that you want. But a thread, it is a class, so you need to override things. So when I want to change this run, I just override it in the thread. Otherwise, they are same. So let me show you a basic example about Runnable. So just click here and create a new class, and let me name it my Runnable. Okay. And what I will do, I just take all the code that I have it here and just move it to the Runnable. But before I move it, if you see, I just make it implement the class of Runnable. Implement class, name it Runnable. When I say implement Runnable, if you see, he say there is an error. So I need to implement because it's interface. So I say, hey, add implemented method. He will say you have run. If you see this run, it's same that one run, but the one difference between Runnable and this one normal thread is overwriting this method. So that means there is already code there, you overwrite it, but Runnable you just did implement for the thing. I encourage you always using Runnable, but if you want to use thread, use it. So let me just replace this code by this code, so make sure everything is okay. Yes, but only the name of the class should be Runnable when you initialize it. And here you go, 100% is okay. So just implement Runnable. I just have is running, name of the thread, initialize the same thing, and when it is run, I do the same code that I have from previous video. If now I want to run the Runnable, if you see how I could run the thread, Runnable is different. So when you want to Runnable, you have first of all you have to define your thread. So for example, what you will do, you'll say, okay, I have a thread. Let me t equal a new instance of thread because we are doing Runnable. Then you pass the Runnable instance. Runnable, for example, R, I don't have it right now, so I have to implement it app. So I say Runnable instance of Runnable. What's the name of my class? It is my Runnable. I name it R equal a new instance of my Runnable. So I just create a new instance and give it name. Let me give it name Runnable. So after you're done, just say tr.start and just make sure you already this one also tr, so you will not enroll into any problem. So yes, tr.start, and here you go, everything is good. So on Runnable you are in same place, but one thing different. On Runnable you just implementing interface, thread you doing normal code. If you see here you go. Now this is what I want to share with you. I hope you understand what we did in this video. 3, I just have missing something here. Just save it and rerun it again to make sure everything's okay. So here you go. So if you see, I have to wait 6 seconds until Runnable start because I have sleep here for 6 seconds. Here we go. Now Runnable started here. See, Runnable started. So now I have Runnable and 2 thread. All of them are thread. Runnable also a thread, but the different in that one, this one implementing interface, so you don't overwrite anything, but that one implement a thread. Here we done, and see you next.